Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you're new here, but if you're not new here, hey bestie, welcome back. I'm a little sick. Okay, I have my cafecito and it should be a tea because my throat has been killing me the past couple of days. But you know what? It's 2024. Nothing is gonna get me down. I've been on my consistent vibe with my channel. The last thing that I wanted to do for Christmas 2023 is unbox my gift to myself. Look how stunning. I'm obsessed with the way that they're doing their packaging. But you guys, I went to Europe with my grandma and my sister. If you haven't seen that vlog, I will link it up here because I did vlog some of it. It was so much fun. We went to Paris and then we went to Venice, Italy, and it was so beautiful. My grandma really wanted to go to Venice, and so I'm so happy that we went with her. It was an amazing trip. I wasn't planning on buying anything when I went, but if you guys don't know, when you buy stuff over there in Europe, because it's made there, I think this is like my knowledge, so if I'm wrong, please correct me down below. From what I know, because it's made over there, it's a lot more inexpensive. So this bag, to give you an example, I forgot the name of it, but I'll leave all of the details down below. When I looked it up over there, it was on sale in the States for about 2,400. I got it for, I think, 1,800 euros. So even with the conversion, it's still a pretty big discount. And then on top of that, once you buy it in store, you have to have your passport with you, and they'll give you some papers for a VAT tax, VAT. And then when you get to the airport, you file those papers and they give you a cash refund. Overall, really good deal. I highly recommend it if you are going to Europe to buy any kind of designer while you're there. Number one, because the memories, girl. Who does not want to go to Europe and then come back with a luxury piece? I am not one to buy luxury pieces just left and right, like at the mall. I feel like I have to have a really sentimental and meaningful purpose as to why I'm gonna pay that much money for something so simple. I have had it sitting in this box, to give you an idea, since like November, because our trip was pre-Thanksgiving. So it's been a little over a month that I've just had it here, but I really wanted to set aside the time to open it on camera. Number one, for memories. And number two, to give you guys some inspo. If you need a new bag, let's do it. Anyways, this is the box. Comes with the Gucci ribbon on it. Really cute. So we are gonna undo the ribbon right now. Oh my gosh, you don't know how long I've been waiting to undo this box. Ribbon is off, and then such a pretty dust bag. It just is like a natural linen color with this logo in the front. It's literally just a drawstring bag. So the reason that I wanted this bag specifically is because I wanted the Jackie bag. If you guys don't know, I'll insert a photo of the Jackie bag. So freaking cute, very trendy, I feel like, this past season, but it is expensive, you guys. And like I said earlier, I am not one to just be spending money like that. So I saw this one, and honestly, it's a lot bigger and it has the same kind of shape. What I liked about this one too, and I think you can do it with the Jackie also, is that you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but you can also add this additional strap that it comes with to make it crossbody. I love a crossbody bag, girl. Oh my God, you guys, so pretty. Doesn't it look so similar to the Jackie? And I like that it has the logo, because listen, if I'm gonna pay that much money, I'm gonna need a logo on there. It has the little tag right here. So cute. This is what it looks like. This is the back. So simple and cute. Like I said, I love it. I pictured it like a little shoulder bag. Oh my God. I love that it's thin, so it's not gonna be really bulky on your shoulder, but at the same time, it's pretty large. So I feel like you can put a lot in here, which is the goal. You know, I love a cute purse. The one that I have right now is actually a Vince Camuto bag that I got from, let's pretend that didn't happen. The bag that I have right now is a Vince Camuto bag that I got from Nordstrom Rack, and I'll show it to you. It's really cute. I really want the Dior one, but girl, talk about expensive, but it's gorgeous. So maybe I'll make that a goal, maybe by the end of the year, to be able to get that one. But look how cute, you guys. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this bag. So pretty, really big, especially because I am not a small girl. So if I want a shoulder bag, I need something that's gonna be proportionate to my dimensions. And this one definitely gives that. It doesn't look too small. This is my old bag that I've been using for a little bit now. Super cute. This is actually supposed to clip in the front, but as you see, I have her filled to the max. But this is the general shape. It's just a saddle bag. I'll link this one down below if I can find it too, because isn't it adorable? I love when you put it on the shoulder that you can still see this gold hardware right here. So cute. I got it at Nordstrom Rack for I think 80 bucks. Really cute. The only thing that does get on my nerves with this bag is this like magnet button closure, because like I said, I stuff her to the max. So unless you aren't like that and you only have a couple things in here, the button is gonna undo, girl. But this is how it looks buttoned up. The leather also gets creased right here, obviously. So I don't know if that's maybe like a little bit of a design flaw. This one is also super cute. I love the shape of it. I love a little saddle bag. Like I said, I love the hardware, and I love that it shows up when you're just walking around. You can see the hardware there. So this bag, again, super cute. I'm gonna clean it up, put it in a dust bag, and then put it away. So let's transfer the stuff into our new girl. So in my old bag, I just have this little Dior dust bag that I use to keep like lip glosses and little things so they don't get just lost in the shuffle. And then I have my wallet, some tooth flossers, girl, because you never know. My fake Dior sunglasses that I got from the Shop Small Soiree. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically like a little flea market in LA. They have really, they have really good faux designer stuff. So if you want the look without spending the coin and you are not ashamed to wear fake designer, because I'm not, I will wear it if it's cute. It's actually really good quality. I definitely recommend going there. I have my Smile Direct Club aligners, which they're freaking going out of business. So who knows what I'm gonna do, but I have all of my trays. So hopefully that works out. I have a little flyer for some dog obedience classes, because this one, she really do be testing me, you guys. I have all of the lip glosses that fell out of that little Dior pouch that I showed you guys. I have some gum, a Rare Beauty liquid lip, some dog poop bags because I'm a mother, and then just a random receipt from Pavilions. In the zipper, I have just some free floating tampons because that's how it is being a woman. And then I have, oh, this is the Vince Camuto little card that came with my bag when I first got it that I never saw, until now. But now is the fun part where we get to fill up my new girl. First things first, I'm gonna put these tampons in here so they're out of sight, out of mind for when I need it. Lippies I'm gonna put in here too, so that everything is just in this cute little dust bag, nice and put away. You know what, let me put the little dog poop bags in here too, because I do not want those just floating around my bag. So we're gonna do that. So we'll put this in here, and then we'll put my wallet, some gum on the side, my aligners case, some floss, my sunglasses. I'm gonna head to work, so I will put those right on my head. And there she is. Look, all of that in here, and it looks empty still. So cute, you guys. I'm obsessed with her. I love her. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you like this video. Let me know what designer bag is on your list, because I would love to know. Definitely check out my vlogs if you haven't already. I love to vlog, girl. And I'm on my consistent vibe this year, so I would love to have you in the fam and stick around. But that's it for me. It is actually morning time. That's why I have my cafecito ready. So I am going to just put my bag on, put my coat on, head to work, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.